Tesla reports their earnings on Wednesday, and it's something that you must see what happens. I'm Jack Talks Finance, the face of the stock market and a five-figure investor. Follow to learn more about the stock market. So Tesla will announce their earnings, after the market closes this Wednesday, and it's going to be really interesting to see what happens. They're a $1.5 trillion market cap company, and if they beat their earnings, their stock could jump a ton. But here's the problem: a lot of these stocks have been overvalued recently, as the Iran war comes to a close, hypothetically speaking, as we've seen in the news. But that might all be true. So this stock could jump, it could do bad. Obviously, a lot of people are saying that the market's not going to do very well this week just because of how, everything's so, propped up, but there's no real, liquidity in the market. There's just not a lot of things that are going on to really back that up. So it's going to be really interesting to see where Tesla goes this week, but if they beat their earnings, it could be incredible. They've had a SpaceX, IPO possibility that's been driving their stock price up as well. So, that might not necessarily mean they're going to beat their revenue expectations or their earnings per share expectations. So we'll have to wait and see how they do. But I'm really excited to see, what happens. And I think it's going to be a great week for the stock itself, but that could go undershadowed, especially if the market starts to reverse, which it most likely will. So look out for that this week.